Radio Freedom, engaging in the battle of ideas in defense of the National Democratic Revolution. The 2024 election results a threat to the National Democratic Revolution. This presentation is a humble contribution by ourselves as ordinary but concerned members of the African National Congress, who also spent the greater part of our young and adult lives serving the ANC prior and post the National Democratic Breakthrough of 1994. Like many genuine members of our movement, we are concerned about the decline of the efficacy, the image, and quality of membership and leadership of our movement, resulting in the loss of confidence to it by the masses of our people. Naturally, like all members of the ANC and the majority of South African citizens who see the ANC as the leader of society, we are devastated by the results of the 2024 national general elections. This represents the clearest demonstration of this loss of confidence and a direct threat to the aims and objectives of the National Democratic Revolution. We are convinced that having reached this point, if nothing visible, clear, and even dramatic is done urgently, the ANC will die, together with the very idea of the National Democratic Revolution, thus dashing the hopes and aspirations of millions of the masses of our people at home and in the continent. This presentation is an analysis of the outcome of the May 29, 2024 election results. The central theme of this presentation is that the outcome was not accidental, but the concerted work of counter-revolution. That since the victory of the National Democratic Revolution in 1994, the counter-revolution has been regrouping to launch its counter-offensive to undermine the National Democratic Revolution. There is absolutely no doubt that the outcome of the May 29 election results represents a threat both to the ANC and the National Democratic Revolution. A historical perspective, 2004 to 2019. During the period 2004 and 2019, covering 4 general elections, ANC support declined by 12.9% from 69.6% of votes cast to 57.5%. Since the 2009 general elections, our country's 4th democratic election, the ANC has progressively been losing popular support. Consistent with this trend, the ANC continued to lose support during the 2024 elections, our 7th democratic election. During each of these elections, total voter support for the ANC did not go below 10 million. It moved downwards from 10.8 million in 2004 to 10 million in 2019. However, between the 2019 and 2024 elections, ANC support dropped by a whopping 17%, from 57% to 40%. For the first time since 1994, the ANC vote dropped below 10 million, reaching the remarkable figure of 6.4 million. Why? What happened? Since during this whole period, the ANC remained the party in government. We are, therefore, compelled to take this extraordinary step informed by this reality and wish to urge both our leadership and the general membership to reflect on some of the matters we raise. We are equally compelled by historical necessity to do what is necessary to extricate the ANC from what we consider to be the strategic defeat as demonstrated by the 2024 election results. From the perspective of Radio Freedom, engaging in the raging battle of ideas to win the hearts and minds of our people and influence them against the National Democratic Revolution, we are committed to render whatever support necessary to respond to the challenges we raise. The analysis of the outcome of the 2024 election results becomes a historically necessary starting point.